Hi. In this video, I will show you how to make a custom toolbar, add shortcuts to your files, and pin the toolbar to the taskbar. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your desktop. Right-click, and on the pop-up menu, click the New tab. On the side menu, click Folder. Name the folder Custom Links, and hit Enter. Now we will add shortcuts to some files that I use often. To make it easier, I will start another Windows Explorer so I can cut and paste, or drag and drop my shortcuts into the Custom Links folder. Okay, I have some Excel files in my database folder I would like to have quick access to. I will find these folders in my computer. Here they are. I will make a shortcut of my Excel workbook, titled Cost by CAD. To do this, I will right-click on the file, and click Create Shortcut on the pop-up menu. Now, I will cut and paste the shortcut into the Custom Links folder. I will repeat this process for the Excel workbook, titled Book 1. I am also editing a video called ConView. I would like to have access to this file for my taskbar as well. I will navigate to the location where my video file is located. I will make a shortcut of this file, just like the Excel workbooks, and drag and drop into the Custom Links folder. Okay. Now, let's pin the Custom Links to the taskbar as a toolbar. To do this, I will right-click on my taskbar, click on the Toolbars tab, and click the New Toolbar tab in the side menu. I need to navigate to the desktop and find my Custom Links folder. Once I have found the folder, I will click the Select Folder button. And there it is. The Custom Links toolbar is now pinned to my taskbar. The 3 links to the files I need to access quickly are also there. I can access them by clicking on the 2 double arrows on the Custom Links toolbar. If I need to open my Book 1 Excel workbook, I can launch it right from my taskbar. I don't need to open Windows Explorer anymore. No more opening folders upon folders to find that file you need. Just add it to the Custom Links, and you are good to go. Now you can save time and use that time to optimize productivity.